Welcome back to another Microsoft Flight Simulator Landing Challenge. My name is Yaro and I help take the mystery out of the aviation industry. This is a clip from a landing during one of my live streams on Twitch and YouTube. That will hopefully help you with your landings in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Let's jump right in. 30,000 feet, we could probably do it. But it's doable. So maybe landing with more flap would be helpful in this plane, just it will give us a lower nose down attitude and it will touch down slower. My thrust quadrant is also just a single lever until I can come up with some extra cash to upgrade. So in real life I would use the engines to my advantage. I would reduce thrust on one set of engines and then increase it on the other. That would help the roll. Oh, just overspent the flaps here. We'll keep slowing down. But yeah, it's doable. Every airplane, aerodynamics are aerodynamics. Planes all flies very similarly. It's whether you will cause damage or not is the other question. But also mind you, that guy in Seattle, the dash was empty and I don't remember how much fuel he had. So of course the lighter the aircraft, the more aerodynamic or less aerodynamic loads you'll need to maneuver. Okay, so let's try doing a much smoother landing on this. See if I can do it. We did it! Not bad. Alright. So hopefully this gameplay will help you nail your landings in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Follow me on Twitch and YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.